Today I'm going to show you how to install your propane tank on your Weber grill that has the scale that shows you how much is remaining in your propane tank. First thing you're going to do, it's a simple process. You're going to open your door. After you open your door, you're going to take this butterfly nut, you're going to loosen it up, which allows this to move up and down. You're going to take your propane tank with the threaded side pointing out, and you're going to place it in this hole right here, sitting in here. And at the same time, you got a lip right here. That lip will sit right on here, on this lip here. Okay, there you go. You see it sitting on the lip? You're going to take your little pre, you're going to sit it here, right on top of the lip here, and you're going to thread your butterfly nut back on. It don't have to be super tight, it's not really holding much, like so. The way this scale works is when it's full, it pulls down on the scale. And as it gets lighter, it will go up, showing empty. Okay? Take off your protective cap for your threads. If you had this sitting for a while, like over the winter time, and this was disconnected, you're gonna make sure there's no cobwebs or anything sitting inside where you put your... Take your threaded thing, thread it on here, and screw it in. Show you when that's on. Once you have a solid connection, you're gonna open the valve and listen for air or gas to be coming out of here. It doesn't hurt if you have a soapy spray bottle with water and soap to spray around here to make sure you have no leaks. You'll see bubbles. Okay? That's how you install a tank on your Weber grill with the scale, like so. You're gonna leave this off until you're using it. Never leave this on. You don't want this to have gas going through the line. Okay? So you leave that off until it's ready to go. And when you're ready to cook, just crack it open and you're good to go. I hope that video helped you. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below, or video suggestions. I'm open to anything. Take care, fellas. God bless.